Well, as y'all can see, the piece is golfing gone. Let's see if we can't get this thing fixed and put back together. Alrighty, people, we gotta fix our tractor today. I reckon, or try to. I didn't think it was in there that far. There it comes. There's that one off. I wonder. Uh-oh, Johnny.
There it goes. See?
Yeah, but I'm wondering about something.
Same thing. Told you. Had to be. For the way it was set up to move.
I thought one had to go in left hand and one right, or one with left hand threads and one with right hand
If you're
threads.
listening both of them, you'll go that way. See if you can grab that little.
Oh, that ain't got nothing to do with it. We gotta turn it around and.
Oh, that it there?
Yeah, turn it around here. Tighten her back up there.
You good.
I thought that was welded.
If it is, you're screwed.
No doubt. I'll get you a bigger inch on it this time.
Yeah. Hold on, let me go. Alright, now what you got there? Damn, it's still turning.
Not loosen it.
Put down on that.
Loosen it for a minute. Alright, now snug it back for a second. Here, ready?
Damn. If we're gonna do that, bring it on around right quick.
It's falling down in there.
No, it ain't. Wait a minute.
It is.
Just wait a minute. Then we can readjust it. Alright.
That's gonna pull the wrong way. You got to turn it around, put it on the other way back there. No. Okay. Now let it go.
I broke that vice loose one day. I don't know what I was on to.
I'm gonna slide that back in case this slips off. Uh-oh.
Well, we took care of the vice in.
Oh. You're going the wrong way. Oh, man. Well, we'll bring you back when we get the vise put back. Well, let's give this another try. Toe.
Yep.
I tried to get you.
You did.
What you had? Now, that wasn't my fault there now.
It was, you kicked it right out there. Just went to catch right quick, alright.
I'm afraid it's just going to pull it back loose and back
I
on.
believe it is.
I wonder if I... Ah, that ain't working. That ain't working. Uh-huh.
Why don't you bring your propane torch with you?
I doubt if there's any gas in it. I mean, I've got that little one out there, but I know it probably would never heat it hot enough. Cause I don't think there's enough gas in it.
Roll that over here. It's right yonder.
Oh God, I didn't know you had one, John. Uh-oh.
Or to let that man so he can see it.
Uh-huh. We'll give him a view of it here in a minute.
That's all when they turn them on there.
Now you should be ready to light up.
Oh no.
Oh, you turn them off too?
Yes, sir.
I always leave mine set.
Yeah, but it makes these gauges go bad.
Well, I always let the pressure off. You got a leak? Okay. I knew I heard a leak.
Yes, it is both cut them. I'll set on up there. All right.
Oh God, Johnny, I can't tell you.
See, I got a 5 fan in here. What's going on here?
I don't hear nothing.
Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I hear it now. Yeah, don't catch the table on fire. Just put a little pressure on it. Yeah, it ain't ready yet. Might need to try to heat it up from the bottom side some too. Can't see nothing.
I know it. That's why I'm trying to hold or grab nothing. If I looked away, I didn't see it. She's tightening back.
Good.
But she's beating. How bad?
We're gonna have to let that cool for a few minutes before we do anything else.
How much is that bent?
Johnny, I can't see.
I can't either.
We'll bring him back when we start back. All righty, people. I got aggravated with it and forgot to turn the camera back on, but as you can see, we got her back together. Got the new piece in the middle. Only thing left now is getting it back on the tractor. That piece looks different, don't it? I scratched it up some.
Oh. Well, what are you doing?
Putting her back together.
Finally got the part we needed to try to fix it, Glenn. I don't know. I'm gonna have to get somewhere where I can see.
The way that's a feeling. Threads are not the best. Why ain't my socket fitting? Did I get the wrong socket? 15, 16.
He's having operator problems. He couldn't get it on now, he can't get it off. And as y'all remember, this is the time that
I can't believe I've done that.
What? What'd you do?
I thought I had it lined up, but it may not be quite. This side looks like it is.
Oh, I forgot to raise the camera up. He was beating the Carter key together. That's all he did.
To back it up just a high. Thank you. Ouch. That doesn't feel good.
No. Oh, you got it in there.
One side down.
But as y'all remember, this is whenever he was putting the hay in and it broke and he went and put a strap.
Yeah, I'm going to be going strapless now.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm hoping it goes strapless from now on.
No doubt. From now on, forever and ever.
And always.
Repairing stuff ain't always easy or fun. And I tell you, we use this tractor a lot, as I've mentioned before, and it's a pain when it's down, ain't it, Mr. Lazy?
Yep. Doesn't get used more on a regular basis than everyone.
You see, it's addicted to ether.
It's a drug tractor.
Woo! He didn't know I was up over him filming.
That looks pretty darn close. I think I'm gonna lock it down there and try it for a while.
So you're just looking at the way the tires are angled, and that makes make sure it's lined up right?
Yep.
Operator problems again. Nah, it's the way that bolt's made, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
Because it looks kind of funky.
I kind of had to hammer it a little bit this morning. I knocked the burr on the side of it.
Oh, and he forgot to film that, taking it apart. But yeah, I've seen him take it apart before. So if you need reference, go back to his other tore up tractor video. You hit that and the dirt on the tires just... He said, shut up, I'm trying to work.
Yeah, it ain't wanting to.
Do right.
No. What can I do?
What's the matter with it? Well, you can't. Huh?
Let me see if I can find a strapper so I can hold some pressure up on that.
Oh, so you ain't gonna be strapless no more?
Well, not for a few minutes.
And here he thought he was going strapless.
Oh, me achy back.
I bet so. He's been working on this thing all day. It's now almost 5 o'clock. And we still ain't got the feeding started. Boo-boo! What you doing, boo-boo?
They look like I was flying something.
Uh-huh. He says I got my belly full, so I'm exploring. He done gone. Right there, little Roo. Roo! Say I'm playing. Say my belly full too. See, Boo hears him getting ready to sneak up on him. Alright, now back to the tractor. He just got the strap wrapped around. So I'm assuming it needs to go up.
You assuming right. I don't know if I'll tell you that or not.
Hold on, let me try to hold this and this to help him. Sledgehammer's always useful, ain't it, Mr. Lazy?
Time to time. And then put a car key in one. And for all y'all out there, this last break wasn't really my fault. I just broke something, or something broke that somebody else had done broke and
Didn't
patched.
didn't fix it completely right.
Nope.
Because I know you'd been telling me the whole time it was, what, out of... in a bind, I guess we should say.
No, I couldn't understand why that shaft, or that threaded shaft under there, when it broke, it had a steel rod sticking out the end of it. And evidently somebody before had broke it and they drilled it out and put a steel pin in it and then tried to weld it back together. And then the welding, they didn't have it, just a couple little spots of welding that was a holding, and it just popped apart. If I'd known that, I'd have taken it and fixed it.
Oh.
But
live and learn.
yeah, I didn't know how the doggone thing was supposed to be. And I do know one other thing I need to probably go ahead and try to fix real quick to keep it. See, it's turning that way too sharp, so I need to try to. I don't think I can do it though without taking the tire out. I don't know, maybe.
What does that thing do? Pull it in?
No, I got it. Can't really get a hold of that Carter key. Maybe I got it then.
Here. Do that so you don't drop. Because you know where it went? Right in your ridge.
Right in the groove.
Yep.
Well, that cylinder's gonna have to be changed. And starting to drip, drip, drip again.
That ain't good. Drippage is never good, huh?
Nope. But when I put that back together, I didn't get it on there far enough.
Oh.
And it's trying to turn yonder way too far.
You hear that? We gotta go. Well, maybe it quit. You hear it? Baby goat down there hollering.
Oh. No, I didn't hear it.
Well, it was having a fit, but it's quit. But I mean, it went on and on and on and on, so it worried me. It's doing it again.
Yeah, I don't like much here. They just hollering at mama.
Then I would lay this down and go on down there, but it ain't sounding as desperate as it was just a few minutes ago. So I'd tell him he could film it and I'd go check. Would I not?
Yeah, Carter key.
I don't know if I can get it.
It's in that crack right there.
Yeah, I know it is.
Right there beside the stack.
I found it, but...
Pliers.
Need the scalpel next.
Oh! Here, hold this.
That ain't comfortable to lay on.
No, not at all.
I can't hold it. That thing's heavy.
All right. Oh. I gotta get my wrench over here. This ain't as fun as it used to be. Laying on the ground working on stuff.
No, that's why you need a shop. Or a carport or something where you can get off of the ground anyways.
Yeah, it would be nice.
I can see it drip, drip, dripping.
Starting to drip worse again.
Uh-huh.
Well, at least I found one of them cheaper than what that used one was for a new one. That's bad when you buy a new one cheaper than a used one.
Mm-hmm. I know
I guess that'll be the next thing.
I know it's dripping. But it's
Well, I
put...
can pour fluid in it, but I can't keep that steel being together.
Yep. But it's put back together. We still got to fix the leak on it, but it's slowing down a lot, so...
Yeah, that's where I had pressure on it.
Yep. So...
But it always does that when it gets cold weather, though. It leaks worse in cold weather than it does in hot weather.
Yep, you're in the sun. I can't get on you because you're directly in it. There you go.
Gotta put an alternator on it too. The alternator's quit working. That ain't that big of a deal then.
No. Anyway, she done.
Well, see you on the next, and remember to hit all them buttons. Like, subscribe, notification, cause we need more people in here.
Yeah.
I'm getting a lot of high dollar projects going here, and I need YouTube to make me some money.
We love you guys. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye.